don't know if y'all can see or hear the bad weather, but today is now Friday, March 24th, 2023 at 2:39 a.m. in the morning. Oh, so yeah, I don't know if y'all can see. No, I can't see it. But it's raining outside and lightning and thunder. And then tomorrow, well, no, later today, this morning, I have to check out of the hotel because nobody except one person helped me with $25. And other than that, nobody else came to help. So, they said that it's supposed to rain 80 or 90% chance of rain all day long. And I don't know if it's supposed to rain Saturday, but as I said, it's supposed to alternate between cold and rainy off and on like every day next week, and be cold, winter cold every night, like in the 30s. So I was trying to get help with another week to stay here at this extended stay hotel, but looks like I'm gonna have to pack up and leave in a little over 8 hours. And I think I don't know if those are 5G towers up there on top the other building. Can't really I don't know if y'all can see that. But yeah. This they have the screen. Let me see. Hold up. I don't know if y'all can see it better. Y'all can see the ground being wet, and look, I'm saying like up there, it's the 5G that look like 5G towers. But you can see the ground being wet and everything. You see it's raining. So, it's not that bad. I think it's in the 40s, but it will still be cold out there. And then I have to be back on the streets. And then dealing with nobody wanting to help you and everybody wanting to punish you and falsely saying you're bad and deserve it. So, I tried to go to bed and fall asleep at 1:30 this morning, but I just couldn't fall asleep. And then I had a lot of noise. The neighbors made a little bit of noise, and then a dog was barking. And then afterwards, they had a car with a loud muffler, kept on passing back and forth. Oh, damn. See, that was the lightning right there. They kept on passing back and forth. And also, for one point, I don't know if they dropped somebody off, but the raggedy loud ass car was idling. So I was so sleepy and tired. Yeah, so it's lightning and thundering outside. So it's lightning and thundering outside. And my left side hurts. And yeah, I don't know if y'all were able to see that, if I had the camera turned where y'all were able to see the lightning, but thankfully I'm safe and off the streets. you know, at the moment. But several hours later, I'm going to have to be back on the streets after 3 weeks. And then, because 3 weeks ago, I used my Social Security check to get this week of extended stay. And then for 2 more weeks, I had help here and there. And then now I didn't have help. I try to write fiction short stories, hoping I can earn. But, excuse me. But the abusive narcissistic gang stalkers telling everybody don't support and don't help me and everything. So I'm trying to keep it together psychologically, mentally, and emotionally. And I feel like an emotional depression, because I know I have to be out of here and then back on the streets and go through hell and barely surviving. And tried job, and filling out job applications, and I'm exhausted and burned out, tired, and can't take any more stress or pressure, and have to deal with more gang stalking abuse. So I'm gonna go for now. I was just trying to show y'all, if possible, trying to show y'all the rain. But if you can't really see the 5G tower, or me trying to show y'all the water, the rain water puddle that I was trying to show, maybe I don't know if y'all want to brighten up your phone screen in order to see. But I was just showing y'all the evidence that it's raining out there, and then I have to be back on the streets. So I'm gonna go for now.